Like, Beyonce, what did y'all put in these things that has people's hair just coming back alive? It looks to me like this product is literally reviving the dead. Dead follicles, that is. Cecred, a hair care line founded by the one and only Beyoncé Knowles Carter, was released on February 20th, 2024. The initial launch consisted of cleansing, conditioning, and strengthening products for all hair types. Which, if you remember, it was a little controversial because some people were like, how can it be for all hair types? But, you know, you should never question the queen. Cecred later expanded to include styling tools, and one of those products included the Restoring Hair and Edge Drops, which was released September 16th in 2024 in the brand's Get Thick campaign. According to the brand, the product has been tested to visibly improve hair density up to 1.5 times. It is designed for a thicker, fuller, and healthier looking hair and edges. The drops combine a biopeptide 5 technology with biotin, rose, ginger, plus Cecred's patent pending tech, their bioactive keratin ferment. These all combine to restore the hair and support a healthy scalp, according to Cecred. I believe most, if not all, of their products contain the patent pending bioactive keratin ferment, but I'll double check that. And currently the products are available for purchase in Ulta. Recently, the Restoring Hair and Edge Drops has quickly become Cecred's MVP, most valuable product, to the point where the product it just cannot stay on the shelves. You're not able to get it from Ulta. It's sold out multiple times on the website. And of course, social media has not disappointed with sharing exactly what kind of results they've been getting with these miracle drops.
Girl, I need to know what's in this Cecred Restoring Hair and Edge Drops. How did I go from bald to hair? Losing my edges was the worst thing that could have ever happened to me after having my baby. So naturally, I had to try the Cecred Restoring Hair and Edge Drops. I use this every single day for 90 days, so I'm here to spill the tea. This is what my edges look like before using it, and this is what my edges look like now.
And just to let you know, let me show you what I got in the mail last week. I haven't used it yet, but I was able to get my hands on a bottle or two. So I will be testing this out myself and sharing my journey on the results that I get with these products. If you're interested, then you better follow so you'll get the alerts. So what exactly are in these miracle drops, this magic hair potion? What did they whip up? Like, Beyonce, what did y'all put in these things that has people's hair just coming back alive? It looks to me like this product is literally reviving the dead. Dead follicles, that is. Dead hair follicles, that is. So let's start with their patented bioactive keratin ferment. What is in this stuff? Of course, it has the bioactive keratin ferment, which is the lactobacillus, the honey, and the keratin ferment. The hydrolyzed keratin is broken down into smaller, more absorbable peptides via fermentation. And the benefits of this is that it repairs damaged hair bonds, reduces breakage, and improves elasticity for stronger, more resilient strands. There's also fermented rice powder. Fermented rice powder is a traditional Korean beauty ingredient rich in amino acids, vitamins like vitamin B and E, and ferulic acid. And it helps to enhance the scalp hydration, promotes a healthy microbiome, and increases hair density over time. There's also biotin plus biotinol tripeptide 1, which is a biotin that pairs well with this peptide. It supports keratin production and it reduces shedding by improving follicle metabolism. And this biotinol, you're gonna have to give me grace when trying to pronounce all these peptides, okay? Biotinol tripeptide 1, a peptide bonded form of biotin that directly targets hair follicles to prolong the growth phase. So this pairs really well with the biotin. It also contains rose extract. So what rose extract does is rich in polyphenols and flavonoids. So these are great antioxidants. And how it benefits the hair, it helps to soothe the scalp and inflammation. It strengthens capillaries around the follicles, and it provides antioxidant protection against the damage, or against damage in general. So ginger extract, it contains gingerols that boost microcirculation. So it increases the nutrient delivery to our follicles, promoting faster growth and reducing dormancy. Another ingredient in these magical potions is the biopeptide 5. And so what this does, it mimics the effect of what is called IGF-1. It's insulin-like growth factor, and it's a key protein in hair follicle signaling. And it helps to extend the anagen phase, leading to longer, thicker hair growth over time. So it helps to extend the growth phase of our hair. As you can see, the ingredients, it's like every ingredient in this product is like a game changer for our hair growth. It helps on the deeper cellular level, and it helps to strengthen our hair follicles. So I'm personally excited to be able to use this product on my hair. And I do notice that there is some ingredients that are really in here. The peptides are standing out to me. The peptides in this formulation, I believe there's about 5 peptides in this formulation. So I wanted to do a deep dive on these peptides and how they work with growing back our edges, with snatching our edges back. We're here to snatch our edges back. So this serum contains multiple bioactive peptides, each with a unique function. You guys are gonna have to forgive me with the pronunciations I'm trying here, okay? First up, we have acetotetrapeptide 3, or biopeptide 5 is the other name for it. And the way it helps with growing our hair is that it helps to increase the length of our growth cycles of our hair. So so we have longer growth cycles, and it reduces shedding of the hair. Secondly, we have nicotiana benthamiana octapeptide 30. And this helps to block DHT, which is a hormone linked to thinning of the hair at the follicle level. So this end result will protect against androgen related hair loss. Number 3, we have nicotiana benthamiana hexapeptide 40. And this is the polypeptide 9 and 6. And the way this works, it increases the VEGF. So this is the vascular endothelial growth factor, which helps to improve blood supply to the follicles. The results, more nutrients and faster, healthier growth. Like every freaking product, every ingredient in here is just a game changer. The 4th peptide in this product is the biotinol tripeptide 1, which I believe we hit on before. And this one binds to the follicle receptors to enhance biotin uptake. And the result is stronger hair shafts and reduced breakage. This formula stands out to me because first, the fermentation. Fermentation is known to enhance ingredient bioavailability. So it helps to increase the amount of absorption that our body, our skin, our hair follicles are able to do. So that's why that stuff is patent pending, honey. Peptide synergy also stands out to me. The amount of peptides in the effects that these peptides have on our hair, the research that have been done on these peptides, I'm just like, whoa, every ingredient is a banger. I'm excited. So the peptides targets growth and retention from multiple angles, and that's what I'm really excited about. Having an ingredient that's able to target your hair loss from multiple angles is exciting. And then I'm also excited about the botanical actives. I love comparing science with nature. And at the end of the day, nature is part of science. But it addresses inflammation and circulations, which are key factors to hair health. So I just wanted to give Beyoncé and her team a round of applause. The formulators of this product, I'm loving it so far. Just by the science and the research behind these ingredients, I'm loving it so far. And just by the results that people have been getting, I am excited. I'm excited. So I will be doing an unboxing of my products that I received. I was able to snag 2 bottles. I do want to document my process in growing my own edges. I want to snatch my edges back too. So I am excited to do that. If you are interested in doing that, subscribe. It's free and you'll be able to get notified whenever I do post that. And what are your thoughts on these hair drops? Have you used these hair drops? Has Beyoncé snatched your edges back too? And I would love to know what your results have been. And if you're still trying to get your hands on these drops, I would recommend to sign up for their email list. If you go to the page for the drops and you sign up to be notified when it drops, you need to check your email every day and they'll let you know when it's going to drop, and you have to get on it or on time to get yours. That was how I got my bottles. That was how I was able to snag mine. So yes, let me know. Comment down below. What are your thoughts? Thank you so much for watching. Remember to stay healthy, stay beautiful, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.